Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat creatine. Creatine is a natural compound found in your muscle cells, playing a crucial role in energy production during short bursts of high-intensity activity. Supplementing with creatine can significantly boost your athletic performance, helping you gain muscle mass and increase overall strength. It also aids in quicker recovery, making it a popular and well-researched supplement for many active individuals. To quickly maximize your muscle creatine stores, many people begin with a loading phase. This involves taking a higher dose of creatine for a short period. You should aim for 20 to 25 grams of creatine daily, divided into 4 or 5 equal servings for about 5 to 7 days. This strategy helps saturate your muscles with creatine much faster than a lower, consistent dose, preparing your body for enhanced performance. Following the loading phase, you'll move into a maintenance phase, which is much simpler. A daily intake of 3 to 5 grams is typically sufficient to keep your muscle creatine levels elevated. The most important aspect here is consistency. Ensure you take your creatine every single day. While some prefer it around workouts, taking it with any meal works well, as the timing is less critical than consistent daily intake. Proper hydration is vital when taking creatine, as it draws water into your muscles. Aim to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water throughout the day to support its effectiveness and prevent dehydration. Creatine monohydrate is the most widely researched and effective form, easily mixed into water or juice. Always ensure you are well hydrated and consider speaking with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.